Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. So today is 13th of December 2022 and we just did a trade, we just did a session at 12 p.m. So here you can see this is my CyberPunk Olymp Trade free group, and over here I share free signals. So here I updated that get ready for the trading session. It will start in 15 minutes. Get prepared, we'll make money together. So I gave the first signal resulted in a loss. Okay, then I gave the second signal, it was a profit. I gave the third signal, it was a profit. I gave the fourth signal, it was a profit. I gave the fifth signal, it was a profit. Sixth signal I gave, it was a profit. Seventh signal, profit. Eighth signal, profit. Ninth signal, profit. 10th signal, profit. 11th signal, profit. So let me show you the timings for each of the trades so that you get to know. So here you can see that the trade started on 13th of December, right? And it started at 12:03 and it ended at 12:04. All right, then move on to the next one. It started at 12:06, it ended at 12:07. Then this one, 12:09, 12:10, 12:12 it started, 12:13 it closed, 12:15 it started, 12:16 it closed, 12:18 it started, 12:19 it closed, 12:21 started, 12:22 closed, 12:24 started, 12:25 closed, 12:27 started, 12:28 closed, 12:30 started, 12:31 closed. And here is what the people are making money. So we overall the total earnings was, we got 10 wins and 1 loss. So our total count was you can say $1,640 profit with a loss of $200. If you bet $10 at each round, you could have easily earned $72 within 30 minutes. And this is where people have been making money. You can see people have sent me the screenshots of what they have made from this trade, right? So you can also be amongst them. You can also be the one making the profits. Join my free group. I'll place the link in the description. That's it. I just wanted to give you update about this CyberPunk Olymp Trade free trading group where I give free signals. If you want to join my group, be my guest, follow my signals, and if you want to be the member of my group, just hop over to the link in the description of this video. Thank you guys. Peace out.